Okay. I like the ramp in volume. I like the parabolic move. Let's see where it's going. Well, there's still some room up to here. On the daily, the resist is 949. Where are we going? 940. We're 9 cents away, so let's get ready for this one, I think. Going a little bit heavy because it's cheap. I don't think the spreads are something to worry about, though. 15s look good. 5s, 2s. It's going shorting here. Ah. I don't have shares to short. Ah, this is too early. Okay, be right back. I don't see any news on this one. 5064 or 5059. I like the ramp in volume here. There's a lot of volume on this one. A little. 2-cent spread. $50, so oh, fumbling. Take this on ones. Taking it up. Okay, there's ooh, I just doubled up on accident. Okay, that'll wake you up. 64 was that support, and it touched that. I'm gonna take out 700 of my shares at 60. But this area right here is what? 59? Put a 58 down. So I took out 700 shares of my 1,000. At most I would use 2,000 shares. One sec, Jeff, I'm in the middle of a trade. Okay, it's looking better now. Taking some here. I'm gonna take another 700 shares out.
PSDO Presidio
I'll do 600 shares.
50 on 2.5 million.
A few cents below. Now let's do 7. I'm supposed to play tight today. Trade tight. Where are you going? Here? 44? Or here? 30? 31? Thinking about it. SPY is popping green a bit. Rejected. This is going to be a good one. Wait, it doesn't hurt too much though. 31. Here comes 31. Ooh, just shot right through 31. Wow, look at that. Okay, there's your signal right there. Well, that's just stupid right there. What's going on there? Do you want to shoot through 50? If that's not a reversal candle, I don't know what is. So, being a little scary now. Underneath 50, I'm going to take out 700 shares. 1 minute trigger is too far away to deal with. So I'm getting ready to add. Trigger on ones. Adding. The 2 minute is 50, 56 right here. We just needed to break 50, 40. I'm gonna try to give this one room, but yeah. Underneath low day, 50.05. Still too close. I don't want to put it over 50. So I'm going to change my stop to say 1500 underneath 50. This is one hell of a warm-up trade.
THC, Tenet Healthcare, and Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Texas signed multi-year agreement. PSDO Presidio is open 1357. PSDO 1350 where it opened, now at 1350.
The volume is still nice and low,
PSDO, Papa Sandy Delta Oscar.
suggesting it's not ready to turn around. Level 2 is good. It's more or less heavy on the bid. I'm going to add as it rallies here. Yeah, it's more heavy on the bid than the ask.
VW Volkswagen pleads guilty to criminal charges in emissions cheating scandal.
Over
in
here,
Detroit federal court.
we're still talking about VW's
VLK
emissions
NY.
scam.
Volkswagen to pay $2.8 billion criminal fine and $1.5 billion civil fine. That's VLKAY Volkswagen.
5084 right here, if you have the stamina. And I think because of this candle right here, with all the traders fighting against the move, that it actually has quite a bit of a move to go. And it hasn't triggered on fives. Trigger on fives will be up here. 70. Yeah. That's quite a bit of ways. Let's see. Maybe it'll come up to 59-ish. Okay. Like up here. Watching the volume here, make sure it's still low. It may reset a bit here. SPY is still trickling downwards to the, it's going a little below, and this is still going up. It's a good sign. Watching level 2. I'm selling all. Oh, I only made $59 on this one. I got chickened out when I saw the SPY do this. If you're still in, that's awesome, because it's still fighting against SPY here. I'll be right back, guys. My cat is not happy with me right now. That's it. I'm a short 300 shares here. I'm watching the volume. die off. There is support right here, and the spreads are over 7 cents. So gotta be careful. If they ever do just come firm out of nowhere, it'll be pretty scary. 22. So I'll give it some room. So 25. I'll be all out at 25. That's pretty far away too.
RDUS, Radius Health continuing to hit new lows. JP Morgan are coming out defending the name earlier, but continuing to drop lower now, down 9.5% at $39. That's RDUS.
Watching level 2, a little bit strong on 91 here. I'm buying all, just a little scalp. Just some lunch money. This one looks tricky with all the wicks. I'm gonna do partial stops.
AMZN,
Okay.
Amazon, rolling out Spanish language experience on Amazon.com.
I may get
Amazon
in
mobile
soon.
shopping app in U.S. over coming weeks. That's Alpha Michael Zulu, November, AMZN.
Still over 19, I'll take it. SPY's dropping, maybe wanting to close yesterday's. Yeah. I'm worried about the 50 here, Daniel. 1854. Okay, here we go. I'm in. I'm adding. I wanted to go to 1923, the 2 minute. Right here. Here's a nice little area. Let's see. I'm gonna keep my stop underneath. Let's make it a big stop at 1,500 shares.
RDUS, Radius Health, now being defended at Cantor, reiterating their $65 price target. Shares currently at $39.01, just off the lows now. $38.58, $39.03 now on RDUS.
Looks like it's being rejected. Come on, push on up. Here we go. Good boy. 1923 still is the 2 minute. Oh, all this volume to fight up. I don't like that. I'm aiming for 1923 and nothing more, I'm afraid. This volume here. Gotta stay above 19. Okay, I'm out. I don't trust this one. Looks like it still wants to go down. I'm worried about that 50 here. It shouldn't have tried so hard to reverse.
ELF, short report out
Still watching it.
by Alex Waldman being circulated, Echo Lima Foxtrot.
Okay, hit the 80. Keep going. See if we can, other than the 50, we're right here at 1861. Yeah, it still looks good, I'm afraid. It actually looks like it's taking it. 1,000 shares this time. Over 19, I'm adding again.
WLL
Adding.
Whiting, April 11 call sweep at the SK of 20 cents. That's Whiskey Lima Lima.
Maybe I'll add over 1910 if the volume stays low. Okay, trigger on 5s will be over 1910. Look at that fake out there. $19.35 is the 5-minute. Oh, that's possible. Okay, let's see if it can break over 1910. And I'll still have a little bit of doubt, so I'm not adding 1,000.
Senate's number 2 Republican, John Cornyn, says has concerns about possible border adjustment tax.
If the volume goes up here, then
Senator Lisa Murkowski says not really interested in
then I
border
gotta
tax
get out.
adjustment.
It's
Border
trying too
adjustment
hard.
tax, it boosts Alaskan gasoline prices.
Okay.
Senators Murkowski and Cornyn say NAFTA review needed, but
Looking good
oppose
on the bid
scrapping
here.
the entire trade agreement.
Let's see if it can break through. SPY's going down and this is still holding. This is good. I'm adding. I like this action right here. As it goes up and this goes down, it still has a lot of strength through this number right here. Let's see if it holds here. Gotta shoot through. Give me some green on SPY. $19.37 is the 5-minute. Okay, I saw a little print of green. Come on. Okay, I'm out. I can't hold my breath any longer. Silly SPY. For real, the struggle is real. Okay, this is a tough Friday, probably because I'm trading really tight and I'm afraid of turning red, especially second day on our chat room. Gotta fortify the green. Okay, I'll keep scanning.
Muted.
No. Okay, it triggered on ones there. Yeah, it looks like it's a little bit heavier on it. I'm taking it. Could be the wrong move, but we'll see. Okay. Looks like it's going there. I may add. This is a 2s trigger. I think it just triggered on 2s actually. Yep. It's not a very strong move though. Okay, here we go. We got a little bit of volume here. That's not good. That looks like a reversal actually, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop at high a day. 78.63. I really need to make a video about 1s, 2s, 3s. What I'm talking about is when I say 1s, I mean the previous 1-minute candle break. 2s, 2-minute previous candle break.
MDT, Medtronic announces Medicare reimbursement for first and only leadless pacemaker for use in the U.S.
I'll explain it a bit.
Michael Delta Tango, Medtronic.
Let me try to figure out what's going on here. This one's tricky because these oil stocks, energy stocks, they all are driven by news. So if anything, this is more like a Bollinger Band play. I should go to my Thinkorswim and see. This looks like a slight rejection. Didn't quite get the volume I wanted. Let me see. PSX. Okay, PSX is on the cusp. TD is back on the scanner. TD could bounce there. Okay, looking good. Yes, Tangle Delta. Okay. Watching level 2 here. I'm taking it. Okay. I'm up 204. Up.
That's a great biopharma. Just at the lows now, 1091. GE continuing higher now, 3028.
I like this volume here. Shorting here. Partial stop. Over 25. Oops. Heading. My target is right here, but I don't know. Looks like it's still going. I'm gonna take out 350. I'm at 1,000. What am I doing? I'm gonna take out 700. Looks good on the ask. Uh-oh. Got eaten up. Maybe here. 30, 35. Is this a hard reset? Maybe. Oh, it's a hard reset.
G.
Danger. $35. It's heavy on gas. Watching the level 2. For a nice shoot back, shoot down. Oh, look at this right here. Okay, I'm taking it. Yeah, I'm playing a little tight today. but I don't. It's Friday. Okay, so 5 trades and I'm only up to 80. Thanks, Jeff. SPY really looks like it. That's not an ideal. I'm taking it. It's not an ideal spot for 90s. Preferably the 80s would have been nicer. Let's see. So I'm gonna put at lower days since I have so little shares. But half in spreads. This is one thing that's why sell always got me when I was younger. The spreads. I didn't know how to deal with spreads. Okay, so SPY needs to bounce here. This volume here is just hell. I should have just went long SPY. This is a beautiful shape for the counter. Okay, so looks good on daily. 15s, it has been confirmed to look good. 2s haven't even triggered yet. 2's trigger is at 13 cents. So I got a pretty good average. And I like the shape here. This is a nice shape. And it's going down.
unmuted.
Whoops. Oh. Well, I hope some of you guys got out in the 80s.
2790 now, 2745.
Yeah, this is the
on Sandy Papa Kilo Echo.
highest it's ever been. Lifetime highs. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Hold on. Spreads, 2-cent spreads. Not yet, not yet. How did this not make my scanner? Thing is, Okay, this could be news. I'll just, boom. Okay. Gotta catch this at the right place. Watching level 2. Shooting here. It's not? Okay. I must have been looking at something wrong. Oh, it's getting bought up. Selling 400 at 66. I mean, covering at 66. Year 2000? Okay, thanks.
ELF, Elf Beauty, regarding early reports of Elf short by Highline Capital. Source close to Highline. It's a short report by Alex Waldman. Were done February 28th via Sum Zero. Prior to employment by Highline. Highline says does not comment on investment positions. That's Ecolima Foxtrot shares are popping here. 27.55 now on ELF.
Stalling here. He's trying very hard to go down. Very hard to go down. Next candle, if it's red, I'm shorting more. Got a little late. I see, the range isn't that great, that's why I'm not profiting off of this much at all. That's why it didn't show up on my scanners. But I want this to go to the 2-minute 45. Trying not to be too greedy. Watching level 2 here. Okay, it looks... Gotta break down that... There we go. Break down again, maybe? Nope, taking it. Okay, I'm up. Sorry guys, I had the mic off. I didn't have a chance to screen share this either, but this one touched a 200, and then the ask was really heavy, so I got out when I could. So I'm up 2:30, which is pretty small, but I think it has something to do with being in the chat room, and I'm not sure. But and being Friday, I really want to stay green on Friday, so I can have somewhat of a better weekend. So right now it is 2:05. I think that's it. So have a good one, guys. NSR, buying some here. I'm gonna have a tight stop. So let's see it go there. And the 5 minute is, there it goes. So hang on. Just taking what I can.